here.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hi everyone. So today, I'm showing you how to get knots out of doll's hair. So first, you put like the doll into your downy with water, and then just for like 2 minutes or 3, and then you just start brushing it layer by layer until you get the knots out. Like that.
Oh wow, Ava. That's really working. Your doll was a mess.
Oh,
Her hair was so knotted.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do this. This side. And then when you're done with the other side, you can work it all together. And this is one of my baby alives. This best. Okay. Okay, so now you can work with it all together. But if it's still knotted, you still work section by section. And this is one of a very popular, well, I don't know how to say it, but yeah, it's a very popular doll.
Okay.